Squarespace always seem to be updating their menu system in some way. And oftentimes they'll get it right, sometimes they get it wrong. In this case, they have got it right. And this is the ability to quickly add classic editor sections onto a page. So I've made tutorials in the past, even recently, about adding classic editor sections. And it takes a while. So you have to like click in, scroll down, find the classic editor section, and then add it in. This way, it's actually right at the top. Well, the blank one is right at the top. If you want sections, if you want templates, should I say, that lives in another menu, but I'll show you how to do that too. Anyway, all that to say, Squarespace has updated their menu system and accessing classic editor sections has never been easier. So on the site here, if I go into edit and I want to drop a section below here, let's click on add section. And then when we click on add blank, you can see we've got section and we've got classic editor. So we click classic editor and boom, it's in straight away. Perfect. Now, if you want to get the classic editor templates, then you just scroll all the way past here and then you can see now made with classic editor. You go in there and then eventually it will load. There you can see the absolute classic templates of classic editor. So you can have a scroll through these, click what you want, and boom, again, it's in. Now, if at any point you want to upgrade for whatever reason to Fluid Engine, you just click there and suddenly you've got a Fluid Engine section. But hopefully you found that useful. Squarespace has come through with a decent upgrade. It's always good to see. If you did find this video useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.